Guys, if you talk loud, you scare bears away.
Oh, no, if we talk loud, we scare bears away.
They could.
What are you doing?
I'm just looking.
We're just looking for bears.
Well, that was a weird trail.
How about what? How that was a weird trail?
We just sort of popped down around the corner from where we was.
What a bear sign.
Yep, another bear sign. Are you scared, Jordan? You don't have to be scared.
I'm not scared.
Okay, I was gonna say, you don't have to be scared.
I'm not.
Jordan, you keep talking because what I said about talking and scaring the bears away? You are. Buddy, look. I'm like 99% sure we're not going to see a bear.
I know.
So don't worry about the bears, okay? Jordan, do you like hiking?
What's that?
Walking like this outside on these trails? Do you like it?
I just don't like it. Well, I like it, but I just don't like it when there's bears.
Slug?
What?
It is. Look at that giant slug.
What's the slug?
Slug. Look at it. It's right here. See its trail?
Touch it.
No.
It won't hurt you. Touch it.
Eee, slimy.
See? Ew.
Slimy bug.
I'll help you.
There's an ant.
The ant's not going to do nothing. Look at your finger. See? You want me to help you again? See?
He is hard.
Look at the bridge.
Where's the bridge?
Up there.
Huh? That's not a bridge.
Look over this side.
Let me see. Those are the golden stairs.
Floating stairs?
Hey guys, come back! There's golden stairs!
They're floating stairs.
They're not floating. They're let me see it.
Well, I'm just videoing our walks.
Can I take a picture?
Look. I have a brown thresher.
Hi, the bridge.
If I see that bird, I'm running away.
Where?
Look at that bird.
What is that good for?
That's the Georgia state bird. But that's like a cartoon drawing of it.
What?
That was silly.
Wait. Then be careful. You know why?
Why?
Stay by the water.
Yeah.
The bears live here.
Yeah.
How do they live here?
They live. Watch your step. They're wild animals.
How do wild?
Because they live out in nature.
How?
That's just where God put them.
Wait, is there some nice bears?
Sure, Smokey the bear's nice. Yogi the bear's nice, but he'll steal your picnic basket.
What? What would he steal again?
Your picnic basket.
Why?
Because he likes eating picnic baskets.
Yeah. I would never do that. I would never do that. Will you do that?
No.
Oh boy, oh boy. Step this side. Daddy, remember when the bird laughed at you yesterday?
Yeah, that was silly.
What happened when it laughed at you?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
It was just making noise.
Did you drop something? And it went. Right, that one? Dude, buddy, I love that one.
I got it, buddy.
Okay. Whee!
You skipped a step.
There's a bear sign. There is.
Alright, we gotta catch up with Mommy. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Go.